The woman detective searches for clues in an unsolved case in black and white style. Wow, just look at this, folks. It has created 5 different images from a single one with perfect face consistency, and the prompt adherence is just on another level. The man looks for a dragon. Walking through the forest, he finds and fights the dragon from the cave, all in Ghibli style. Can you actually believe it took only one image to create the entire storyboard with different scenes while keeping perfect character and style consistency? This is just next level stuff. The woman walks through Tokyo holding an object from image 2 in her hand. I literally can't believe this tool. Just look at how easily it added the phone into the shots and blended it perfectly. Now, I know how they made that AI Apple iPhone ad that's been going viral recently, and guess what? All the image edits and generations you just saw weren't done using Nano Banana, Seedream 4, or Photoshop, but with a brand new, groundbreaking tool that's about to change the entire AI content creation game. All you need is a single image, and it will take care of the rest. It understands the context and then creates different scenes according to your preferences while keeping the character completely consistent. It's been created by the AI company called Higgsfield. I'm sure you've heard of it, and if you watch my videos, you already know how much I love creating content with Higgsfield AI. Even Apple recently partnered with Higgsfield to create their first ever iPhone ad made entirely with AI, and that ad is going viral everywhere. In today's video, I'll tell you all about this revolutionary new tool that will make your life a lot easier and your content a lot more professional. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. Alright, the name of the tool is Higgsfield Popcorn. I've got early access to this tool thanks to Higgsfield, and honestly, I'm in love with it. Now to get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, it'll take you to this interface, and as you can see, it's pretty simple. Now let's generate some awesome images with this. Here, you can see it has 2 options. First, it has the manual option where you can give inputs for each and every single scene. And then it has the auto option where you can just give it a prompt and it will automatically generate all the scenes based on that. First, let's try the auto option, and then we'll go with the manual one. Next, let's upload our input image, so I'll upload this one. Now let's give it a prompt. I'll paste the prompt here. From here, you can also choose how many scenes to generate. As you can see, it can generate up to 8 scenes from a single image, which is just crazy. I'll choose 6 scenes and then simply hit generate. Now what this will do is basically analyze your prompt in the input image and then generate the subsequent scenes. Isn't that awesome? And here are the outputs. As you can see, it has created 6 different images with the exact same look and feel. The character consistency is just on another level. Every single shot of her face looks identical. Before this, you had to test with multiple prompts, and God knows how many times you had to regenerate to create a consistent storyboard of images like this. But now, with Higgsfield Popcorn, you're just one prompt away, and it takes care of everything for you. Now, the major difference between this and tools like Nano Banana or Seedream is that Popcorn can generate multiple scenes from a single image and prompt. In the case of Nano Banana or Seedream, you have to keep feeding input images and prompts again and again, and just hope that it gets them right. Let's try one more. This time, let's go with a different image style. For the input image, I'll upload this one, and for the prompt, I'll write this, then simply hit generate. And here are the outputs. Wow, this is just too good, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, it has created 6 different images according to the script I gave it. This is really on another level. You can see from the results that it created shots of the city, the streets, and finally some shots with the cat, all while keeping the character and image style perfectly consistent. Now just think about the amazing stories you'll be able to create using this tool. You're truly only limited by your imagination. All you need to do is create storyboard images and then turn them into videos. That's it. Let's try one more. This time let's do it manually. So I'll switch to manual mode. Next, let's upload our input image. I've uploaded this one. Then let's choose the number of outputs. I'll go with 3. Now, let's give our prompts for all the individual shots. You can keep the prompt simple if you want. It'll still take care of the details automatically. No need to go extremely detailed. After that, just hit generate. And here are the outputs. Wow. As you can see, it has created 4 different angles using our input image, and they look absolutely stunning. You can tell from the results that everything is consistent, from the face to the clothes, but the camera position has changed. Now, if you tried doing this on Nano Banana, you'd have to generate multiple times just to get the right output, and it would degrade the image quality with every subsequent generation. But here, you don't need to worry about any of that. Every image is high quality and picture perfect. Now you can also add multiple frames if you want. Let's test that out. I'll upload these 2 images, then I'll give this prompt and simply hit generate. And here are the outputs. Just look at them. All the images look outstanding. Not only did it generate the scene of her holding a phone, but it actually added emotions to the image, like she's using the phone and feeling happy. That's a big win in my opinion. This is just too good. Let's try one more. This time, let's try to copy a pose. For the input image, I'll upload this one, and for the pose, I'll upload this image. Next, in the prompt section, I'll paste this, and then hit generate. And here's the output. Just look at this. It was able to replicate the pose perfectly, and the character's face remains completely consistent. I don't know how they're doing this, but I'm absolutely loving this tool right now. And if you're wondering, here's what Nano Banana and Seedream 4 generated with the same input image and prompt. You can see the difference. So it's like day and night. Honestly, I didn't expect this kind of outcome. And finally, let's feed it an image and ask it to expand it. So I'll upload this image, then give this prompt, and simply hit generate. And here's the output. As you can see, it has expanded the background perfectly while keeping everything else exactly the same. Now here's what Nano Banana and Seedream 4 created. You can see the quality difference for yourself. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. In my personal opinion, I think Higgsfield wins this battle too. So there you have it, folks. A tool that's seriously better than Nano Banana or Seedream in terms of both quality and creativity. It can generate an entire storyboard of images from just a single image and a prompt. What more could you possibly want? With this tool, you can get really creative and come up with awesome content that has the potential to go absolutely viral. So make sure you sign up with Higgsfield AI and try it out for yourself. Create amazing content. The link will be in the description. And if you face any issues, just let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to help. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.